So this was a much smaller bleaching factory. We came here, and literally his partner was swishing around right here. So you can see how the women go through and hang it to dry. So they're just in long, long cloths. And that's exactly what my brother's been doing for years and years and years. My mother was in this same business. So this city is, known for textiles. So you can see how they're taking the cloth after it's bleached, it's just letting it dry. And then after it's dry, they go through and put some color on it. So we're coming up here, we have 4 guys in a rickshaw, and we finally talked the guy who's supposedly my brother's partner or ex-partner, because they had a fight and they broke up, to come join us. And so now we've got 6 people, the driver and 5 of us in a rickshaw.
He's the one who directed us.
This is the gentleman who was swishing in the water.
Really?
And he got in the rickshaw and took us over.
He only the one who took us to meet Taj. Taj's house. Taj's house.
Ah, right.
Can you get in there?
Oh, absolutely. I'll get in there.
Get behind the bleaching.
Of course.
மாமா கா செல்வம் இருக்கிறாப்ல
Hey, Christy.
மாமா கா செல்வம்
Talking
மாமா கா செல்வம் இருக்கிறாப்ல
about my brother.
அமெரிக்காவுல இருக்காரு
Tell him too. Everybody's familiar, so. I am as Anna. I'm as Tangachi. I'm talking about my sister now.
Can we take that picture?
Yeah, absolutely.
இல்லங்க ஏன் சிரிக்கிறீங்க போட்டோ தானே எடுக்கிறாங்க அமெரிக்காவுல கொண்டு போய் காமிப்பாங்க
So here's their process here. Again, you're coming through, taking the cloth. This is that bleaching powder they're using. You can see comes in heat, rolls it through, and they're out. So it's a messy situation.
This is how we had that diet here.
Yeah. Hey, tell them they've grown in size.
You're also grown old.
Very good. I'm glad he's recognized this. Well, there you go. I mean, we're talking about how many we went to, and then this guy, you got to get the emotion behind it. Finally, this guy knew my brother. So he recognized my brother's name. He knew it was. So now we're climbing into a car. And so I'm like emotional now, right? We're going to see my brother. It's crazy, right? So
There's something to do with the Almighty that is.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
See.
Even today, this is crazy that we run into the same guy. It's a lot like that we ran into that kid yesterday, right? Last
You haven't
night.
seen him since?
Who?
You
This
haven't
one? No, I haven't seen him since.
Really?
Yeah.
Whenever we come, he's not there.
I'm not here, so it's crazy that he would, the son would remember, right? So.
You recognize பண்ணதா? ஐயா உங்க பேர் ஏன்?
VK ராஜி VK ராஜி வைராவளையா
Rajiv. VKR Rajiv. His name is Rajiv. VKR Rajiv.
Right. Palama.